Applicant AW3370CA. Please introduce yourself.
Good day all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Maricel Anso. 30 years old, I am single. I have one child, 7 years old. I live in Caridad Norte, Llanera, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. My father's name is Arsenio Anso, and my mother's name is Sinaida Anso. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm Roman Catholic and high school graduate.
You mention your work as a domestic helper in Philippines. Tell me about yourself, your responsibilities in your previous job.
I work as a housemaid in Baguio City, Philippines for 2 years. I serve member of the family, adult, children, baby, and elderly.
Can you tell me as how you will take care of children or baby?
I will do my best. I will care of your children, care of baby, giving them food, milk, and vitamins, assist in taking a bath, change their clothes and diaper, tutoring, play with them, and give full attention.
What are some of your skills?
I can operate washing machine, flat iron, electric fan, television, rice cooker, washing clothes, washing dishes, cooking, and kitchen toilet man. To avoid bad smell, spending germs and bacteria.
You said you know how to cook. Do you have any experience in Chinese cooking?
No ma'am, I can cook Filipino food like fried egg, hot dog, fish, but I'm willing to learn Chinese cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
The traits necessary to be a good domestic helper are responsible, obedient, respect, kind, honest, hardworking, polite, humble, and patient to the children.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer?
To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my best to do my duties. I will be hardworking, honest, and responsible domestic helper. I will always respect your whole family. I will love your children as my own. Thank you and God bless.